Your backyard is more than just an outdoor space, it's an extension of your home where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy nature. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a cozy patio, the right decor can transform it into a stylish and inviting retreat. From lighting and furniture to greenery and decorative elements, every detail contributes to the atmosphere of your outdoor oasis. In this guide, we'll explore creative and practical ways to enhance your backyard, making it a place where you'll love spending time year-round. Creating a comfortable seating area is key to making your backyard an enjoyable space. Consider investing in weather-resistant furniture such as rattan or teak seating sets, complete with plush cushions and throw pillows. Adirondack chairs, hammocks, and daybeds are great options for a laid-back vibe, perfect for lounging on warm afternoons. If you have a small backyard, opt for foldable or stackable furniture to save space while still offering a cozy seating arrangement. For dining outdoors, a sturdy table and chairs can create the perfect spot for meals with family and friends. A wooden picnic table gives a rustic charm, while a sleek metal or glass dining set brings a modern touch. Benches with hidden storage can also double as a space-saving solution, allowing you to keep cushions, blankets, or gardening tools tucked away neatly. Choosing furniture with neutral tones makes it easy to switch up your decor with seasonal accessories. To create a relaxed, resort-like atmosphere, add a pergola or canopy for shade and privacy. Sheer curtains, climbing vines, or bamboo screens can also enhance the feeling of an intimate, cozy retreat. The right furniture arrangement can turn any backyard, large or small, into a functional and stylish gathering space. If you loved these backyard decoration ideas, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who are looking to transform their outdoor space. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in your backyard. String lights are a classic choice, instantly adding warmth and charm to patios, pergolas, or trees. Solar-powered lanterns and LED pathway lights are both eco-friendly and practical, illuminating your garden while enhancing safety. Consider placing lanterns on tables or hanging them from tree branches for a cozy, inviting glow. For a dramatic effect, incorporate spotlights or uplighting to highlight architectural elements, plants, or water features. If you have a fire pit, its natural light creates a rustic and cozy focal point, perfect for nighttime gatherings. Fairy lights intertwined with shrubbery or fences can make your backyard feel magical, especially in the evenings. Candles and torches add a warm, flickering glow, ideal for a romantic ambience. Citronella candles can also help keep mosquitoes away while providing a pleasant scent. Whether you prefer a soft, whimsical glow or a bright, functional space, backyard lighting choices can make your outdoor area feel inviting and stylish. Which backyard decor idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're styling your outdoor space. Lush greenery brings life and vibrancy to any backyard. Whether you have a large garden or a small patio, adding plants and flowers enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. Raised garden beds, vertical planters, or container gardens are excellent options for growing flowers, herbs, or vegetables, even in limited spaces. If you prefer low-maintenance landscaping, opt for drought-resistant plants such as succulents, lavender, or ornamental grasses. Hanging planters and wall-mounted gardens allow you to introduce greenery without taking up too much ground space. A mix of potted plants in varying heights and textures adds depth and interest to patios or decks. For a natural and serene atmosphere, incorporate a water feature such as a small fountain, bird bath, or pond. The soothing sound of trickling water enhances relaxation while attracting birds and beneficial insects to your backyard. A well-maintained lawn or gravel path creates structure in the space, making it feel well-designed and welcoming. Consider incorporating decorative stones, stepping paths, or even a rock garden for a visually appealing contrast to greenery. Mixing hardscape elements with plants allows you to create a backyard that is both stylish and functional, blending natural beauty with purposeful design. For more outdoor decor inspiration and home makeover ideas, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Adding personal touches to your backyard decor makes it feel like an extension of your indoor living space. Outdoor rugs, cushions, and throws can bring warmth and texture while defining seating areas. Choose weather-resistant fabrics in bright or neutral tones to match your design style. Art pieces such as metal sculptures, hanging wind chimes, or mosaic stepping stones introduce character and charm to your backyard. Repurposed materials like vintage crates, wooden pallets, or old doors can be transformed into functional decor elements, such as plant stands or unique seating. If you love entertaining, a bar cart, outdoor kitchen, or built-in grill station can elevate your hosting game. Creating a designated area for drinks and snacks ensures a smooth experience when enjoying meals outdoors. An outdoor movie screen or a cozy fire pit area with oversized floor cushions makes for a fun, family-friendly backyard setup. Fencing or trellises covered in ivy or climbing roses can add privacy and create a lush, garden-like feel. Mirrors can also be incorporated into outdoor spaces to reflect light and make the area feel larger. Whether you go for a boho, rustic, or modern theme, the right decorative elements bring personality and charm to your backyard retreat. Check out our outdoor decor playlist for more ideas on patios, gardens, and backyard transformations. Your backyard is more than just an outdoor space, it's a reflection of your lifestyle, personality, and creativity. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, reconnect with nature, and enjoy special moments with loved ones. With thoughtful design choices, your backyard can become a true extension of your home, blending style and function seamlessly. Transforming your backyard doesn't require a massive budget or professional landscaping. Simple, intentional updates, such as rearranging furniture, adding plants, or incorporating new decorative accents, can have a significant impact on the overall atmosphere. Even the smallest changes can create a fresh, inviting space where you'll want to spend more time. A well-designed backyard serves multiple purposes, from a peaceful retreat to a lively gathering spot. Whether you prefer quiet mornings with a cup of coffee, fun-filled summer BBQs, or cozy autumn evenings by the fire pit, your backyard can accommodate all these moments with the right setup. It's also important to consider how your backyard evolves with the seasons. Lightweight textiles and bright colors may be perfect for spring and summer, while warm blankets and fire pits make fall and winter outdoor living more enjoyable. Adapting your space to the changing weather ensures that your backyard remains functional and inviting all year long. The beauty of backyard decor is that there are no strict rules, your creativity sets the tone. You can experiment with different themes, mix styles, or even craft DIY projects to personalize your space. Every plant, light, or decorative accent adds a unique touch that makes your backyard feel like home. Ultimately, your backyard should be a space that brings you joy and relaxation. It should reflect the things you love, whether that's lush greenery, rustic charm, or modern elegance. Thoughtful details, from seating to lighting, play a huge role in making the space feel complete and well-balanced. Want to recreate these backyard looks? Find all the featured decor and accessories linked in the description below. Spending time outdoors has many benefits, from reducing stress to boosting creativity. Having a beautifully decorated backyard encourages you to embrace nature, slow down, and enjoy life's simple pleasures. Whether you're reading a book under a pergola, hosting friends for dinner, or simply soaking up the sun, your backyard provides the perfect setting. By carefully curating furniture, lighting, plants, and decorative elements, you can create a space that feels welcoming and serene. Whether you want a tropical oasis, a rustic farmhouse garden, or a sleek modern patio, the right design choices will bring your vision to life. No matter how big or small your backyard is, it has the potential to become a beautiful, functional, and inspiring space. With a little creativity, thoughtful planning, and a personal touch, you can turn your backyard into a true retreat, one that offers comfort, beauty, and endless possibilities for relaxation and entertainment.